and I'll wait a short while. I sit in the chair, cage snug and secure. The clippers start buzzing, I'm calm and so sure. So fresh, so clean, I'm feeling just right. A brand new haircut, shining so bright. Step into the chair, tap my feet to the beat. Grooving at the barber shop, so cool and so neat. Snip, snip, scissors dance with care. I take a deep breath, I'm happy right there. If I need a break, I speak up, it's fine. We pause for a moment, then finish in time. Check the mirror, wow,